In today's video, we are going to show you how to edit a video in Higgsfield. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. And once you are on the Higgsfield dashboard, I want you to open the project you want to edit. Go to the video section, click the create a video or cinema studio video, because this will open up the editing workspace where you can make changes to your scenes. Matter of fact, we have several YouTube tutorials about Higgsfield that you might want to check. Okay, so one of them is this video. Before making any major changes, I highly recommend you duplicate your project by clicking the download button so you have like a backup. In case if you don't like the edits, you can always go back to the original version. It's a simple step that can save you a lot of time and frustration. Now, since I have chosen this video, alright, you have multiple options here at the bottom. You can recreate if you want, of course, or the better option is video edit. This will forward us to the video editor. I'm going to simply click this video right here, scroll down. This one. Now it's time to edit the video. You can upload images and elements if you want. And of course, you can describe the prompt that you wanted some changes for that specific video. For audio settings, you can do that as well. And for the model, if you want to try a new one, you can do that as well. Remember, regenerating or editing your video will lead up to taking your credits. So you need to be mindful. If you want to add a motion control, you can do that as well. All right, for example, if you want a scene control mode, you can do that for advanced settings. Scroll down so you can add another advanced prompt to enhance your video. Okay, once you are happy with the changes, all right, all I have to do at this point is click the download button or go back to the three dots icon, click the open, because if you want to change the genre, you can do that and see all. Okay, so these are going to be some of the information. Once you're happy with all these, click the share button if you want to send this to your client, to your team members for collaboration. And once again, remember, you can always download the video that you have edited here in Higgsfield. And basically, that's it. Now you know how to edit your video inside Higgsfield. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.